What's going on, y'all, man? It's your boy K. Got another video for y'all today, man. Here I live to drive. Got a hold of this SS Camaro. We're about to let it rip, so that's what the video is today. Let's get into it. SS, boy. Camaro, peanut butter seats. You feel me? Mode dynamic. Got it in a manual. 200 on the dash. Leave you on the pass like my ex. You did. Got the pedal shifters. About to get into it. Man, so dang slippery out here, man. Ain't getting no traction. I got it in track mode. It's kind of wet outside, so see how that boy keeps spinning and losing. Alright, I'm gonna take it out of sport. I'm gonna take it out of track and just put it in sport. See if I can get some more traction back. Alright. Picking up, boy. Losing so much traction though. Y'all here though. I know y'all here. Just a short little, quick little pull for y'all, man. I got all the way up to, I think, like 70 right there. About to go ahead and get y'all some good tunnel noise. Show y'all how to get that noise. But anyway, man, that's the video for y'all today, man. Quick little play in the SS Camaro 200 on the dash 2018. If y'all like little spontaneous videos like this, y'all go ahead and let me know, man. I'll put it try to get some more out there for y'all. But like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all next video. You dig?